Leaving Papa Pan. Heading to where?
Phokoje, something like that.
Phokoje. Papa Pan was amazing, but it's time to start seeing some elephants. Although we did see elephants, we saw 3 elephants.
Yeah, and I don't think you're going to get elephants at Phokoje.
And we're not going to get elephants at Phokoje. We need to get to Moremi where there's buffalo and elephants.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light.
It was rather a shitty ride.
Yeah.
Ever look at all the thorn trees?
I mean, I might see an animal.
I didn't think you will.
You can't share them with that other stuff. Ah, I think the phone.
Did you say you'd prefer this road? We need to get a thorn in you.
Losing your winning, you can't get it right. Hoping you see me for more than just night. Up all night thinking, am I on your mind? Will you come meet me and change my life? This love could be deeper, just sinking. Will you love me? Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Addicted to you.
Some good signage. I think we're going that way.
This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
This is the campsite.
Well,
We've made it to our campsite. What is the name of this campsite?
Phokoje.
Phokoje. So Phokoje has a shower, but I don't think it has a toilet, unless it's a toilet slash shower. At least we are secluded.
We might be using our awnings at this place.
So we pitched up over the campsite after, I don't know how many hours of driving, maybe 3 or 4. it was not a desirable campsite, let's put it that way. So we decided to come and have lunch out here. Beautiful hot day, maybe about 26, 27. I'm just walking around exploring a little bit. Very pretty out here though, just the campsite's not great. This is where the shower was tonight. Couldn't get much better. Just going to show you the toilets at Phokoje campsite. Word of warning, it could end your life. That's an active beehive, crazy. Also a skink sort of got trapped in their wax. This toilet hasn't been used for a very, very long time. But when we pitched up yesterday, put the tents out, just got swarmed by bees. So we ended up going to the pan for lunch, which wasn't a bad plan. But a new day. Don't know where we're going. I'll ask Leigh to update later. He is, he's right under my feet.
Oh shit, and I keep changing this for your videos and I forgot to put it back.
Oh, sorry, darling. She shouts at me a lot. Don't know which way we want to go. We're going to find the water hole, but Matopi is 42 kilometers from here.
That's that one. Where's this waterhole? Look, it's supposed to be right here.
It's not there, it's gone. 42 kilometers that way.
This my map says 2 kilometers to the
We're running out of
waterhole.
petrol, send help. Got enough food to last us a day.
No, love, stop it.
What? You're gonna hit your head on this thing, you fool. Almost crashed trying to get a video of the secretary bird. Leigh called a gemsbok. Actually, Leigh called a gemsbok a Corey bastard. I've never in my life seen a gemsbok fly, but apparently crack cocaine is good for this trip.
Stop it.
We drove for 2 kilometers. It was hot, it was hard. We're at the water hole. There's not much water, but Leigh found a Corey bastard in the background. I still think it's a gemsbok.
Is that a male and 2 female ostrich?
That is one lucky male with 2 female ostriches.
Is he lucky?
Passage waterway was a bit of a disappointment. Now, off to Passage Valley. What do you think, love? What do you think? Not much? Okay. She's not very talkative, except when she's shouty. He's looking straight at you. Oh no, his ass looked at you.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there, I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they set for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
Cheers, people. Bye, darling. Cheers, darling. Cheers. 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 This is the shower at Corrie 3. We haven't had a proper shower for a while now, shall we say. We are going to attempt that.